In 1989, I started LeMetric because I know firsthand what it feels like to feel frustrated, isolated, and confused as to what options are available to women who are experiencing some sort of change with their hair. In mine, it was thinning. In other women, it's texture, length, color, etc. I know firsthand the frustration that it is when you can't find someone to talk to help you find the solution that best fits your lifestyle. That is why LeMetric began. I know, as you know, how hair impacts how we look, how we feel, and how the world around us either looks at us or ignores us. Come, call me. I know how it feels. I know how the thousands of women that I have worked with since 1989 have become not only my clients but my friends. It is time for you to embrace the power that you have, not just with the problem of the hair, but also what an opportunity it is to finally fix it, address it, and live your life. Call me, 1-800-217-9052.